it out, guys.
Huh?
We're going in.
Yeah. Testing 1 2 1 2. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. My mind sounds nice. Check 1. Yeah. My mind sounds nice. Check 2. Stone when I'm in my zone smoking on the homegrown, feeling like I'm all alone. Used to go to Kingdom, Rucker Park with Tony Tone, listening to bone, feelings in my bone.
What's up, DK Meadow Squad? Gonna do some vlogging today. Every time I decide to film, though, now there's a train. I knew it was coming. Blah, blah, blah. Doesn't matter anyway. Doesn't matter anyway. The audio is probably still gonna be crap because every time I want to film, somebody else wants to mow. This yard needs mowed too, but either way, got the tripod. Get the bike out, wash it, and then I'm gonna install this new plate and taillight I've got, and then yeah, back to editing. Trying to get a video out for you guys. Got new software. We're using Adobe Photoshop now, Adobe Premiere Rush, and Adobe. Well, we've got all the Adobe apps, but trying to figure those out. Trying to get some content released. Bear with me, guys. Got lots of new lots of new equipment, new bikes, new software. Channel is getting revamped, but I need you guys to bear with me and let us figure this stuff out. But anyway, enough nonsense. Let's get to washing the bike. All right, guys, let's do this. Alright, what's up, guys? I think I finally got enough tools, got the bike clean. Now I'm going to do license plate, integrated taillight cover. It's not like an official install, so don't be too hard on me. I've got my Milwaukee impact here. It helps get the job done a lot faster. Shout out Milwaukee tools. All I use if I can. But I've already got 4 outside bolts undone here. These 4. Now I've got 2 more under the seat to get to not have to get the seat off. It's for any bike. Never taken the seat off on these before. Seems to be a little bit more complicated than what it was on my old bike. So bear with me. I want to try and get the seat off. Sweet. That did it. You guys can see what under the seat the new KTM looks like. Wow. That is magnificent. Beautiful. All right, so we got 2 more bolts to take off here. Try and set the camera up. You guys can catch this. Okay. Should do it. From the looks of this, should just be able to undo 3 harness clips somewhere up towards the front. God only knows where they're gonna be. I hope it's not too bad. Alright guys, so it turns out I'm just an idiot. These are where I unplugged it right from the tail light. The old one plugs right into these on the new one. So, yay! I didn't lose anything. Or I don't have to take anything else apart. It's not going to get more complicated. Hopefully it shouldn't. Yeah, that's just that. And that never happened. Alright guys, 3 batteries later, we're almost done. Putting final bolts in, bottom here. Lost my socket. It's not normal. There's socket in there. No? I don't see it. Wow. That sucks. There's mine. Sweet. Alright. So, putting the final bolts in. It's gonna be a little wonky at first. Well, until I get a new fender or something. Because friggin' yeah guys, yeah, you know what happened. I looped it. So I got the plate done. I'm gonna go for a short little ride. Riding around the yard. I don't know if anything good will come of it, but set the GoPro up and stuff. a lot maybe than I expected. I had this most freaking large tooth bike. I'm not gonna ride one. I'm not gonna be really. That's a pretty big one. I gotta get more used to recording audio without a mic. These cameras actually have really good audio. Bought my first bike at that house, or trailer. It was a KZ 750. That was fun. Never pulled up a third gear wheelie like that. Ball scorpion right there. Alright, better put the bike up before I get in trouble. Riding around town like this. But yeah, I still need to tighten my chain, straighten my handlebars, but I got the new plate for integrated taillight. We out here, we lit. Your boy DK Motorsports is immature. Couldn't tell. But I don't have kids, so I can do that. I don't have any examples to set. You little bastards watching this better be more mature than me. You see what a nice guy I am? Washing this bike. Well, fine then. You guys, let's look at the difference between these plates for a second. Here's the old stock one, which it didn't look quite that bad, but Brian's gangster at freaking doing those scrapes. So, man, that just got scraped down, yeah. Couldn't take this freaking wheelie.
Dude, what'd you do to get this?
That? Oh, this? Are you trying to take your thing off?
Yeah, dude, because it's freaking...
You gotta take the seat off, you gotta take that thing off.
I gotta watch your video.
Yeah. So you guys know. You get that fresh plate install right there like that. It hasn't even been dropped yet.
Well, damn.
But if you guys are watching this, the video is probably already dropped. If this isn't in that video, which it probably will be. So this is like 20 minutes later. What's up? Shout out KTM. Are you serious right now?
Put it back on. Oh.
Anybody else see anything wrong with that?
It'll be alright, it ain't gonna hurt.
Yeah. You want to switch me pipes then?
No.
Oh, I shouldn't have washed my bike right here. Ah! Alright. So, that's that, guys. If you want to see more videos like this one, leave a like at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe. Please, I need more subscribers. I need to get to 1,000. That way I can start making money off YouTube, guys. Then my content will get better. I can do more stuff. So please share this. Yeah! If you liked it. If you didn't, then fuck off. You don't have good taste. Not really. I probably just didn't do a very good job. But if you liked it, leave a like, please. You know, it helps out. But oh, another before and after shot there of the plate. See what a difference that makes. Really cleaning up that ass.
Oh shit, shake that ass while moving like a gypsy. Stop, all back it up now, let me sing it.
God!
I got that ass for you.
He's got that ass for you, ladies. He likes them dildos up the butt, he told me.
Man, you gotta take it there, don't you?
Alright, I don't know if he really likes it up the butt. I was making that part up.
Well, you shouldn't have seen
But ladies,
that. But ladies?
ya boy.
Trash.
You guys see that Clockwork Orange t-shirt? What do you guys know about Clockwork Orange? Probably nothing.
Probably everything.
Right, they're all gonna be like, that's actually not original Clockwork Orange memorabilia. Wow. Okay. Ooh. My GoPro just...
Oh shit, shake that ass while moving like a gypsy. Stop, all back